Good day children. Today in this video we will see article. What is an article? A word used to modify a noun. What is a noun? A person, place, object or idea. Articles are classified into two categories, indefinite and definite. The indefinite articles a or an is used in general nouns and nouns that have not been specified. The noun which is not specified is used in indefinite article. A or an is used with singular count nouns. Generally, unspecific plural nouns do not need to have an article. The noun which is not specified do not need an article. Yes, an unspecific plural noun. We'll see the examples. There is an aquarium in Central Park. This is a beautiful flower. So, when you mention something for the first time, we use an or a. Use a or an to talk about one of the group of things. There are skyscrapers in the downtown area. How many hotels are there in Chennai? Usually, we don't use a or an or any other article while using plural nouns. Yes? So, skyscrapers are plural nouns. Hotels are again plural nouns. Yes? My town has an aquarium. The aquarium is located in Central Park. The oldest building in my town is the church. Do you want to take the train or the bus? We are going to the mall this weekend. So, indefinite article the is used with both countable and uncountable nouns. It shows that the nouns are specific, special or unique. But in indefinite article, what did we see? The nouns which are not specific, which are not specifically identified. Yes, here the nouns are specific, special or unique. The is used when an indefinite noun becomes definite as a result of being mentioned a second time. So, in the first sentence, what did you see? My town has an aquarium. Yes. Here, an aquarium is used, which is indefinite article and indefinite sentence too. But here, next sentence. The aquarium is located in Central Park. So, the next sentence comes as definite. Definite article is used before the noun. So, the aquarium is located in Central Park. Next, the is used when the speaker and the listener both know the thing or person being spoken of. Yes, the oldest building in my town is the church. Do you want to take the train or the bus? Now the speaker and the listener both knows the same thing. Yes? The is used to talk about something specific, which is very specific. We are going to the mall this weekend. We are very specific that we are going to the mall this weekend. No article. Parks are an important part of any city. Don't use the with plural nouns when you are talking things in general. In general, you should not use the word the. The parks will not come. Parks are an important part of any city. The parks are an important part of any city is a wrong sentence. Yes. So this is very important thing that many of us don't know where to use the word the and where not to use it. Yes, names without the article the, with names of people. I'm going out with John. So I will say that I'm going out with John. I will not say I'm going out with the John. That's wrong. I'm in a meeting with Mr. Smith. So this is the correct sentence. You should not add the. The Mr. Smith will not come. I have an appointment with Dr. Johnson. I have an appointment with Dr. Johnson and not with the Dr. Johnson. So if I'm not specifically saying the doctor's name, like the next sentence, see, I have an appointment with the doctor. Now I can use the word the because I'm not specifying the doctor's name. Yes, the doctor's name is not mentioned. I have an appointment with the doctor is the correct sentence. Name of the places. Continents. Asia. Asia is a beautiful continent. Europe. I would like to visit Europe. Countries. Countries. Japan. India. I would like to visit Japan. I'm living in India. So I don't say the India or the Japan. But why do we use the United Kingdom? Why do we say the United States? Because these are political title. What is that political title? Kingdom, states, republic, these are called political title. So it's correct to use the word the before this. The United Kingdom. The United States. Yes, the will not be used. Delhi, only Delhi. My uncle is in Delhi. Texas, again. My aunt is in Texas. Mountains. Mount Everest. Mount Etna. Why do we say Mount Everest and not the Everest? Because Mount replaces the article the. Yes. Mount Everest, Mount Etna.